If you're thinking of getting this Navitech camera bag, then this is my honest opinion and review. I've had this for 6 months and there's a few things I like about it and a couple of things to bear in mind. So I got this to put a slightly bigger Sony camera, like a combination camera, one where you can change the lenses, because the other camera bags just weren't quite big enough. And so one thing I like about this is that it has a lot of different attachments. You know, you can put like spare batteries, you can put cables, you can put lenses in here, and it's all padded and protected. Super high quality and durable, and it's going to protect it from pretty much everything. You also have this strap on the side, which, you know, you can put it around your neck, put it around wear it on your back, and that's also adjustable. So you can adjust and attach different things to the bottom, the sides, everything like that. One thing to bear in mind is that it's very lightweight, but it is actually, like, you could say, quite a big case. So if you have a smaller camera, like if you, for example, have an action camera, you might prefer a smaller case. But this one, you know, if you're having like a Sony camera or a slightly bigger camera, then this is better. So just make sure you measure your camera before, so you know kind of what the best size case is for you. But I love how it has this webbing on the sides, so you can put like spare batteries and cables and stuff just for easy access. And I also love how it has these orange bits on the side, because if you're like me, you have like a lot of black kind of gear and bags. It's nice that you can just very quickly and easily see, oh, that's my camera bag, because it's the giant orange thing on the side like that. And yeah, that's my honest opinion review. It has this little belt strap if you want to attach it to your belt as well. So if you're looking to get a really reliable, super high quality camera bag, then I highly recommend this one.